know them big legs in the circus?
Yeah.
I look like that.
Well, you're like a clown. Okay, definitely recording this time. We're going to try this again. So I'm coming out the hotel, we just did a blip for about 4 minutes recording, saying how happy we are this morning. I don't realise it wasn't recording, which is awful. But we're here, we're at the Animal Kingdom this morning. We have a reservation in 15 minutes at Tusker House. It's about 5-10 minutes walk through the park once we get through.
Unicorn!
Generally, there's a bit of movement. Now,
why did we not play in the unicorn?
so the unicorn section, as anybody can see that, I'll try and zoom on it in the editing. When they originally built Animal Kingdom, you notice that there is no signage. There is a dinosaur, there is lions, and there is a dragon. Now the plan was, where Camp Mini Mickey, which is now Pandora, was that they wanted to build a mythical land full of dragons and unicorns, but budget got in the way. So, as it happens, they built Camp Mini Mickey, where you got Pocahontas and you had those little bits and, you know, budgetary constraints.
Yeah.
As time went on, decided not to do that and they built Pandora instead. So we're in, folks, and we're on our way through. The park doesn't officially open yet for another hour, so we're in for extra magic hours. So we're going to head over. So yeah, we're just coming through Discovery Island now. Look at that. Tree of Life. So it is a bit of a mad sprint this morning towards Africa. We're going to get over there and go and get some scram, eh? 5 past. Everybody's rushing to Pandora, aren't they? Like Pandora, woo! We reckon to here for lunch, or do you want to try somewhere else? It's all pizzas there. What do they do for kids? Mac and cheese. No, she won't she?
Might as well go to a different place. Get burgers and chicken.
Burgers and chicken. Chicken.
That was a new chicken.
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 We're in line, just checking in. It is so warm. I am dripping with sweat already. Yeah. One day.
Stroller parking is up here to the left. Is Mickey or Daisy? Or Minnie?
Yeah.
Minnie?
Yeah.
Minnie sleeps in.
Yeah, sleeps in.
She sleeps in, yeah.
Yeah, she needs it. She works hard. So.
Yes, she does. She's sleeping in today.
Girls, want to get your books?
Yeah.
Over Erin and the ketchup's on the small buffet.
Oh, they've got oatmeal. Come on, BP. Right, guys, sit down. Are you sitting with Mummy and Holly?
Coffee? Yes. Okay, it's on the table. I'm going to go grab some jungle juice. I'll be right back.
Cheers. Yeah, he owes me £20. Erin, you want to sit in the middle next to Daddy? Holly, hi. Right, so we're sat down. I've done some coffees, but more importantly, we've got this. We've got jungle juice. This is the thing that Tusker House is famous for, so. Okay, so we're trying jungle juice. First time, okay? It's good. It's really good. It's really nice. That's bloody beautiful, I don't know what's in now. Oh. That is really nice. Let's try some more. Oh, it's fit. It's kind of like a mango or passion fruit kind of thing, but it's nice, really nice. Oh, a bit back like that. Sorry. This is cool. This is a picture made up upon pictures. if you look at the edges, it's meant to be a panorama, but it's all sort of framed along as time goes. That's really cool. Molly, who is it? Donald Duck? Hello, Donald. Oh yeah. That's Goofy.
Blossom, please.
Oh, there we go. There you go, dude. Holly, who is it?
It's Donald.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Donald.
Mickey, could you come round and take a picture of the baby as well?
Come on, Erin. Come round. We'll get Holly in the picture.
Hi guys. Holly. Holly.
So, just take out it.
Hi Daisy, you okay?
She always upstages me.
Daisy, can we have a picture of the baby as well?
Take the picture, yes?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Daisy.
Bye. Well done, girls. Girls, come down. Oh, Daisy, go on. Come on, I'll watch this next.
Please, no.
Come on.
Why we didn't think that we did it at O'Connor?
I don't know. Well, go to the back. Go to the back, girls. Okay. Jump in. Follow Daisy. Come on. There we go, stand. Oh.
Band, the guys with the drums.
Hey there, princess. Hi. Hi. Hi, da. I agree. I understand. So, should we go on Kilimanjaro Safari? What is this? You want to do this? I understand, of course. Oh, will you? So we've just had breakfast at Tusker House, and it was delish. And I think we're going to try and get on Kilimanjaro Safaris a little bit earlier than we planned with the fast pass. Granby Fruit Market. Yeah, I would love to do the Wild Africa trek. I think you're a bit too young for it, Sophia. Maybe next time we come, you might be bigger. Oh, you go behind the scenes looking at the animals. Mufasa.
It is the female species who form together into social units known as herds. Each herd is ruled by an older female known as the matriarch. Her experience in dealing with predators, water sources, and drought patterns is essential to the herd's well-being.
Leave the mic, leave him alone. We're going on these buses.
Are you taking the left or the right?
I'm going to left first.
Inside, and remember to watch your children. Your transport will be arriving shortly. Asante Sana. Enjoy your adventure. And
any moment. Now we are going to move for the majority of our trip today. We'll stop for a few seconds here and there, but we're going to move for the majority of it. So if you want to get some photos, I would recommend keeping your camera out at all times. You never know when we might spot animals out here on the reserve. And there's a guide above your head on the truck, so take a look up there. Those are the animals we'll be hopefully getting to find. The okapi is the only relative of a giraffe. They're really shy and reclusive, so they like to hide. We don't always see them in the open like this here. But you can get a really great look. That stripe's kind of like a zebra. That's their form of natural camouflage, so they can blend in with their surroundings. So the okapi can stay hidden really well in the brush. Oh, those beautiful horns to go see a rhino across the water. There's actually two rhinos here now. In the forest are black rhinos. There's two subspecies of rhino in Africa: black rhinos and white rhinos. Black rhinos are a little smaller. There's one all the way by the clay. Let's check out this right here. So they're still really massive animals. They're close to 3,000 pounds. And they are also solitary, so they don't really socialize together. They just feed alone. They're super fast. They can reach up to 35 miles an hour when they run. Unfortunately, this is a really endangered animal too. There are only about 5,000 black rhinos in the world, and we just saw two. There's something really great that we can do to help these animals, and every single day just try and recycle paper. That has a huge impact on their environment. So next time you recycle or conserve paper, just know that you really are helping these animals out a lot. We're gonna head a little deeper into the forest. Check out the Sophia River. This is the home of the hippos.
This is
So
how
if you're
bumpy
on the
they are.
water, you'll probably see a few.
Reckon suspension's knocking in the throat.
Now, a hippo is one of the biggest animals in Africa. It's going to weigh close to 5,000 pounds. Now, the hippos, they are herbivores, so they'll eat grasses. That's really the main staple of their diet. But usually they just come out of the water at night to graze because it's cooler out. On the island over here are some pink-backed pelicans. Now, they have a pinkish back, but it's only in their mating season. They're colonial nesters, so they can see how there's a few on nests right there. They'll nest in groups. Trees, you do find a few trees in the savannah. This is one of them. They have no leaves for usually 9 months or more every year, and they do that to conserve water. Water is really scarce in the savannah, so these trees just keep thousands of gallons of water in their big trunk. And it helps. So there's one giraffe up ahead there. Now in the savannah, there's not too many places to hide. So animals stick together. They form these big herds, the largest groupings of animals in the world. And so where we see one animal, usually we find a lot. So we might be lucky to see a bunch of giraffes. And I see some more antelope off to our right-hand side here. Now on your left-hand side are the beautiful African wild dogs, and they're known as painted dogs as well because of those beautiful coats, just like our fingerprints as humans.
Erin, sit down, baby. Just you have to sit down.
There it goes.
I'm trying to
That's a really young one too.
help.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there's some monkeys over here on your left too. They're also the most colorful monkeys in the world. The mandrill has the blue and red on its face. Oh, there's a young mandrill over there. So an elephant is definitely an herbivore. They will eat about 300 pounds of plants every single day. But they don't always get the nutrients they need from just eating plants. So elephants sometimes eat clay as well. That's what the tusk marks came from. But let's check out these guys. It looks like they're right along the edge of the water.
There's another one back here.
Muscles in it too, so it's real powerful. Now these are the beautiful greater flamingos on the island, in the world. The cheetah can run almost 70 miles an hour just for a short distance, so maybe a few hundred yards. Still very impressive. A cheetah is unique in a lot of ways too. They are the only big cat that's active during the day. And there will actually just be one male in a pride. So he'll be the only one we'll see, but we might find some females too. The pride has one male and a group of females, maybe 10 at most, not a huge group. The females must be snoozing somewhere out of sight. Beautiful. So a male can weigh close to 500 pounds. Is he asleep?
Good job, girls. Did you learn something interesting?
Alligators.
Might be down here, this one, Cal. Kelly's there.
Lay your palms out flat just like this. Awesome, cross them over. Flap those beautiful bird wings. Say cuckoo!
Go and say it, girls.
No. What about a tweet tweet?
Go on.
No. Like you crazy lady. Give me some tiger paws. What do tigers say? Roar. Awesome. Perfect. So these are for you to take with you today on your adventures. Perfect. And my friend Emily here will tell you all about our program. There you go.
You guys?
Yep.
Okay, my friends. So, you get to learn more about so many animals today. This is for you to keep. And I'm going to give you these so you can wear on your shirt so everyone knows that you are explorers, okay? Quiet. There you go, my friends. Just keep in mind that we are done exploring at 6:45 today.
Yep.
And the last train, Agrifiki's Planet Watch, is at 4:30, okay? Alrighty.
Right, should we go and explore?
Hi.
Come on. Thank you.
Got this.
You got it. Come on.
Bye.
Dinosaur. Nice. That was a good guess. Well, check it out, my friend. These animals, they actually get their food, or they get their pink color from the food they eat. That would be like eating your favorite fruit or vegetable, and your hair turns the same color. Looks pretty funny. Now, do you see way in the back? Well, kind of. There's some bushes, but do you see way in the back where those piles of mud are over there? Yeah, what do you guys think those flamingos use that mud for?
Camouflage?
Camouflage, is that what you said?
Yeah.
That's a really good guess. Well, check this out. I have a really good hint over here for you. What do you see on that pile of mud back there? An egg, right?
Yeah.
So what do you guys think they use that mud for? To lay their eggs on, right? Like a nest. But what do most birds, you guys can come on over too. Come on over, my friends. We were just talking about flamingos' nests. Now they're made out of mud, but what are most birds' nests made out of?
Sure.
All right, my friends, we are on page number 7 for my friends here, just right after that map. And you guys just earned your flamingo badge. Do you want me to help you get to it? It's gonna be right up here. Good job. Your flamingo badge.
What do you say, Erin?
You're welcome. Perfect. Great job, my friends.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Come on, guys.
Dad, can you give me my book?
And you got pink shorts just like a flamingo. You're practically a flamingo.
I would like to chase something. Do you see something that I can chase? Bark like this. Bark like this. Oh, I smell churros. I like churros very much.
Okay, say
Really awesome because these guys actually make a lot of noise.
we have Nemo. Are you okay?
Do I have Nemo? I don't have Nemo. I have the bugs. I have this one. Yeah. So in here we're looking at different types of bugs. What kind of bug is a cockroach? What does it like to eat? Does it eat other bugs or old stuff? Look at the box. Give me some hints. What do they like to eat? That's a banana. It's an old looking banana, isn't it? Oh, you think maybe they like to eat old stuff? Yeah. So these guys are what we call decomposers. They break things down so that we don't have to eat them.
My God, it's absolutely roasting in here today. It's 32, but Animal Kingdoms is just one of those places where it's just so damn hot. I mean, it's just so hot. But it is immense. It is amazing. So we're on our way over to Everest. Again, Sophia doesn't want to ride, so I'm just going to ride with Kelly. And while she's doing that, we're going to chill. So we're back on the hunt for even more badges and achievements through the Wilderness Explorers locker room. You can see that, it's not very clear picture. So far we've got 1, 2, 3 badges. I think we're on our way to get the tiger badge next. And from there we can move on. But this is the Maharaja Jungle Trek, and we're going to see some tigers. Hey guys, so after a long day at Animal Kingdom, we went back to the hotel room, we got changed, showered, dressed, a nappy emergency from Holly, which we will not mention. Done some laundry, got most of it done, we can rest when we get back. But we're here at Fort Wilderness Campgrounds, just near the Triple D Ranch. And we're on the internal bus network because you're not allowed to drive your cars around the resort. And we're going to the settlement, which is where Mickey's Backyard BBQ is being hosted. Once we get there, we're going to meet Mickey and friends, we're going to have a jamboree, all of the other stuff that they do, and enjoy a good night. It's cool. It's weird being back on the buses. There's no Wi-Fi around here or anywhere. We're just trying to figure out obviously what we're going to do with the time and the money we've got left. We probably didn't bring as much money as we wanted to this time, and we probably should have done with bringing a bit more, but we've made do with what we've got. The table service dining plan has been great, and the quality of the meals that we've had at places like Bomas and even Tusker House this morning has been fantastic. But then you do have to count in $20 to $40 depending on the size of your group for tips each time. 14 meals, it's either upwards of $400 extra that you're going to pay just purely in tips, even with the table service dining plan. I've liked the hotel, I've loved the hotel. I don't know whether or not I'd do the table service plan again. So, next time we do a Disney hotel, I'm thinking that we may look at a DVC option in the future, just using the points to get into a DVC accommodation. Oh, my friend here wants to go back to the Caribbean beach. May even look at the Riviera. I mean, the Riviera is a great sort of settlement. I'm just going to switch sides to show you some of these resorts. Seeing these cabins. Yeah, she said the settlement. What? The settlement.
Was 2 years ago. When I was 2, and I was 5.
my friend here, but if you could just point out very quickly where I'm zooming in the middle, you can see 2 slides are in the rock face there. I do apologise if my hands aren't that steady. We are on the back end of River Country Water Park. Disney shut this down famous years ago due to various issues, but the main reason was problems with water. Come on, Sophia. So there is a little pathway back here. I think we can see between the gaps in the fence some stuff from the water park. Yes, indeed. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh, it is. This is what's left of River Country.
I can't see.
Okay, we've got the water slides there. Okay. And then over here, some of the pills. Okay.
Let me see. Whoa.
This is amazing. This is absolutely fantastic.
That's what you walk at.
What are you doing, girls?
A little bit on the slide.
Right, girls.
I can do it.
Girls, don't go down that slide.
Another door over here, we just called him.
It looks like somebody's had an accident.
Somebody's had an accident.
Yeah, somebody's been to the toilet.
Guys, can we go? Can we share this one? It's not where that one.
Yeah, you know what? Just don't use either of them. Use the pole. Wrong.
Use the pole. Okay. I'm gonna do it.
So, what have you enjoyed about tonight, Sophia and Grace?
That would play in here.
Did you enjoy the music?
Yeah.
Did
Well, it
you-
was a bit too loud and hot, so I got irritated.
Okay, and did you enjoy the food?
Yes, I'll meet you at the top. At the top, I said.
Right, but don't go down the slide. Where's your sister? She's over there. How's my little climber? Have you enjoyed tonight? Alright, see you later then. Bye.